paano mag-create ng item dito. I can even take a photo of that item po. The system will confirm po that the item has been created like this. Another day, another BitPOS feature. Sa video nito, I'm going to show you how user-friendly ang ating BitPOS MOT kit designed for retail businesses po, especially for startup or small retail business. And this package that I selected for the kit po, it's with the barcode scanner na clipback and the Android device, inclusive with our Bluetooth printer po. So ipapakita ko sa inyo paano siya kadaling gamitin, especially if we talk about paano mag-create ng item dito. So using my clipback barcode scanner po, I am going to select this item. Pag-scan ko po, automatically lalabas yung barcode niya. So I'm going to input the name ko, loan, sample lang. Input the price, let's say tag 50 pesos. The unit of measure, let's say per piece. And the category po, and then the type, it's stock. I can even take a photo of that item po. See, for example, magpipicture lang ako. Ayan, so I have the photo of my item. Tap ko lang yung check icon po. Automatically tap create. The system will confirm po that the item has been created like this. So once you have created your item, the next step po is ang pagtatransact natin dito sa ating MOT. So for the cashiering po, tap lang nila yung 3-line icon po, just scan that barcode. Automatically po, lalabas na agad yung ating product, tap OK. And then for the payment, input the pera of the customer, tap OK po. And right away, magpiprint ang ating Bluetooth printer. It's very direct to the point yung ating MOT package. And if you want to know more, please message us and book an online demo.